Shout out BTR, man. Send a nigga something, man. Send a nigga something, man. Send me that truck Norris joint. I'm gonna make 100,000 videos on it. We got the lifters soaking in here. We soaked them last night. Taking it right out the box. Popping it right in.
Nice furn trays. Nice furn trays. I want y'all to. Between all y'all lady chokes.
We locked and loaded, so we finna go ahead and install these real quick. I can't turn y'all on so y'all can see them. Matter of fact, I'm gonna take y'all with me. Fuck it. We're just gonna do it like that. How about I just take y'all with me? First set going in. First set in. Just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it down. I was gonna try to time lapse this process, but we'll speed it up. Boom. I ain't gonna lie, I was questionable, like, how do BTR got some trays cheaper than GM? These can't be GM trays. But, I mean, they fine. I don't know if they OEM, but goddammit, they close. Shout out BTR, man. Send a nigga something, man. Send a nigga something, man. Send me that truck Norris joint. I'm gonna make 100,000 videos on it. Alright, man, next lifters we finna go in. We're gonna take y'all with me. Next set of lifters going in. My GoPro done got all oily. Lifters in. First side in. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it down. I lube these lifters with I ain't use oil. I know that's gonna piss a bunch of people off in the comments. That's why I did it. Come curse me out. Let me know how displeased y'all is. I ain't use oil. I use Rizzoline engine conditioner, something like that. Yeah, I ain't use oil though. I hope that piss y'all off. Next set of lifters. Gonna pop them in the trays. I did not expect to do it like this, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Like, share, subscribe. Like, share, subscribe, man.
I wanted to time lapse. Shoot. I love these trays. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Alright, so we got them in. Y'all come with me. Get my GoPro a little stick thing. I'm getting that thing all oily. Alright, lifters going in. Lifters are going in. Lifters in. Bam. Bolt them down. I'm surprised at how seamless this process going, man. Normally I forget something. Oh yeah, I already lost the bolt. I lost the bolt. So I ain't going that seamless. I mean, but other than losing that bolt, man, shoot. It's going pretty seamless, man. Lifters in.
We're torquing down in a minute. Alright, last set of lifters. We're torquing down in a minute. But yeah, I'm surprised how seamless the process been going, man. I'm surprised I ain't dropped a lifter or something. And all this dirt, had to clean it off.
Y'all let me know, do y'all agree? Should you pre-soak lifters? Some people say you shouldn't, some people say you should. I know all the OG car guys say you shouldn't. All the young folks say nah. So y'all let me know. Y'all pre-soak y'all lifters or what? Definitely pre-soak these jokers. Lifters in, lined up. Just put them in. Last set. Last set going in. Last set in. Bolt it down. These hoses in the way, I probably can't see, but we just hand tightening it. Boom. All the lifters in.